On the 25th of Safar al-Muzaffar, 1340 AH, a Syrian scholar, Rahmatullahi Alayhi, in Baytul Muqaddas, he had a dream. And subhanallah, in this dream, he was present in the sacred court of the blessed and beloved Rasool sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, companions of the blessed Rasool alayhi salatu salam alayhim ridwan, and subhanallah, awliya Allah were also present there. And everything seemed to be in total silence. It seemed as if they were waiting for somebody. The Syrian scholar humbly asked, Ya Rasulullah, Azza wa Jalla wa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, may my parents be sacrificed for you. Whom are you waiting for? The Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, we are waiting for Ahmad Raza. The scholar asked, who is Ahmad Raza? The beloved and blessed Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, he is a native of Bareilly Sharif in India. When this Syrian Buzruk, Wali of Allah Ta'ala, awoke up in the morning, he was amazed, he was shocked, and immediately, subhanallah, he made his journey from Syria right towards Bareilly Sharif in India to meet Sayyidi Ala Hazrat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. But on his arrival, to his dismay, he had learned that Ala Hazrat Imam Ahl-Sunnah, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan alayhi Rahmatur Rahman has already passed on. And subhanallah, it was the same day, 25th Safar al-Muzaffar, when he had heard the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam say in the dream that we are waiting for Ahmad Raza. Subhanallah, may Allah ta'ala have mercy upon him, and may Allah forgive us without accountability for his sake. As Sayyidi Ala Hazrat says very beautifully, Ya ilahi jab raza khabe gira se sar uthaye, ya ilahi jab raza khabe gira se sar uthaye, daulate bedar ishq Mustafa ka saath ho, दौलते बेदार इश्क़ मुस्तफ़ा का साथ हो।